future doctors and nurses and other medicals, what if I tell you there's a drug out there that can literally bring anyone from the dead? Well, you might think I'm kidding, but I'm not. So before I spill the tea, it's like let you guys can guess in the comment section what drug am I talking about. So without keeping any suspense further, let's talk about the drug adrenaline or epinephrine, or it is also called as fight or flight hormone. Now imagine this situation. You're walking somewhere peacefully, quietly enjoying your time, and then you see a dog chasing you after. What would be your primary reaction? So you suddenly feel your heart start racing, your breathe it gets faster, your pupils got spotlight mode, and your legs they suddenly feel like Usain Bolts. At this time, I guess you all have guessed it right. So yes, we are talking about the drug adrenaline, and the situation which you have faced definitely puts you in full adrenaline boost. So now it's like we'll talk about what this drug, like how it saves our life. So the major forms or major conditions in which we use this drug adrenaline are, first we all are aware of, that is the cardiac arrest. So we give this drug mainly in cardiac arrest. Second is if the anaphylaxis reaction or there is severe allergic reaction, then also we give this drug. Then third is we give it in the severe asthma, because this drug actually it helps in bronchodilation, so which enables the person to breathe better. Now you guys tell me, do we give this drug in hypertension or not? Now it's like we have discussed a lot about adrenaline. Now it's a question for you guys. Do you think it is a sympathetomimetic drug or an antihypertensive drug? So you can have your wild guesses again in the comment section, but let me clear this out for you. So it is basically an sympathomimetic drug. So sympathetic means the sympathetic nervous system, and mimic is something you mimic of. So it basically mimics how our sympathetic nervous system works. Basically, it puts you in an alert mode. So that's what adrenaline does to our body. Now don't think adrenaline is all hero without wearing a cape. It also comes with a side effect. Basically, it can make you feel like you just have 5 cups of coffee at a single point. So adrenaline use is not just limited to the hospital or the medical settings. So it have a very vital role in dentistry too. So I guess in all our lifetime we must have visited dentist once in a while in our life. We all do, like due to our tooth issues or any other issues. So dentists add a little bit of adrenaline mixed with lignocaine, and that's what it stops the bleeding. So that is what our dentists use to numb our gums or any part of the mouth. So this is what our OG lifesaver adrenaline. You can answer in the comment section. What do you think adrenaline is most suitable for? First, in the medical settings. Second, in accident prone areas. Third, exam hall. What I